Hello, today I'll be covering linked lists in my first video on data structures and algorithms. Firstly, what is a linked list? A linked list is a series of nodes which have pointers or references to the next node in a linked list, and they have some sort of data. This is what a linked list would look like visually. Next, why would you use a linked list? Well, linked lists are very efficient at insertion and deletion, especially in the middle of the list, whereas with arrays or lists, you would have to shift the indexes, which isn't as efficient as just moving some pointers around. Next, when you don't know how big your data will be, linked lists are very useful, especially in languages that have static size arrays like Java. However, random access is slower as you can't use indexes to access elements in a linked list. Here's a basic linked list implementation in JavaScript. Firstly, you would have a node class with two attributes being the value and a pointer. Then in your linked list, you would have just one attribute being a reference to the head node, and then you could have any number of methods. Append isn't the only one. You could have delete, you could have insert, etc. Now, here's a linked list use case example. Let's say you create a linked list. This is what it would look like. Then when you append the number of 10, since there's nothing in the head, it would set the head to a node with the value of 10. When you add 20 to the linked list, it would create a new node with the value of 20. When you add 30, it would create a new node again with the value of 30 and point the original tail or the node of 20 to 30. And this is what the linked list would look like.